PSBA perspective, events like today and engaging with the people who attend is extremely important, because from a PSBA perspective we're looking to innovate, we're looking to transform our network, we're looking to develop new services, and we simply can't do that without engaging with the people of Wales, the users of the network, because they have the ideas. You know, the new services that we've developed to date, that we're launching in 2017, have all been built in conjunction with public sector workers, public sector users, people who set the strategic direction for organisations. While we are interested in engaging with people who are using the PSBA in their day-to-day role within a health board, within a council, or within the police force. Likewise, also, you know, from a strategic point of view, you know, a leader of a council will have an aspiration around what he wants to do with the council in the next 3 to 5 years. The network the PSBA provides underpins their whole strategy.
For me, for the public sector, it's about how can we deliver services, for example, in people's homes with secure access to an intranet. Not been done really before, you know. Local authority workers, care workers, service deliverers in the client's home, delivering service securely with secure access to servers, back at base if you like, cutting travel, making that client feel more comfortable, being able to deliver a range of services, not one specific service at a job centre, for example. And that way of mobilising, I think, is a huge opportunity, and one where technology probably already exists. The connectivity is probably there. It's the behaviour, it's the risk management which is stopping that rolling out more quickly. And that's one area I think we can really move forward in very quickly. The public sector in the UK as a whole is aware the status quo is not relevant anymore. We cannot deliver the public services that we have in the past with the money we have in the future. And so the way in which services are delivered has to transform, and that will either be dragged kicking or screaming into a transformation, or it'll be a thoughtful, careful and synergistic transformation where we can look to drive common approaches where we need to, but leave that bespoke flexibility at a lower level, if you like, or for particular geographic contexts.
We know that public services are going through a huge amount of change. We know they're going to have to go through significantly more change because of increasing levels of population, increasing demand for services, and of course austerity is still to fully play through, and that requires thinking differently about services, and absolutely it requires working together, requires a different relationship with the citizen as well. And actually digital plays such a huge role in every facet of our lives. Everybody's got a smartphone. Most people have access to the internet at home, and actually the workforce is becoming much more tech savvy as well. Everyone's using technology as part of their social lives. We're all dipping into Facebook, and it's becoming increasingly important that technology actually isn't a barrier in the workplace, that the sort of level of quality of service and the sort of usability of applications pervades into the workplace, and not just in terms of people and what they do at home. So the PSBA actually is a huge mechanism by which we can reduce some of those barriers, whereby we can facilitate access to systems and services cross-organisation, and not just constrain people to their own network or their own systems, which is really fundamentally vital when we've got this new breed of innovators coming into the public sector that want to do different, that want to join things up in a different way, and that want to really focus on the needs and the outcomes for citizens. And here in Wales, we've got that leading position in so much as the PSBA exists. Over 4,500 premises, universities, hospitals, GP surgeries, schools, all connected by a common network. Well, actually, we think that's the foundation and the backbone for digital transformation for the nation.